This is a review video on the Wolverine Movie Maker and the Movie Maker Pro. So I've got Ryan here, who's my cameraman. He knows nothing about any of these machines.
Nope.
He's a millennial, so he's supposed to be smart. So I'm gonna let him have a go on getting this stuff going. So for the average user out there is going to get an good experience on how easy these things are to use, or maybe not. So this is a completely unbiased review on these two. I've been in the industry for 20 years transferring film. My name's Phil Thomas from gotmemories.com. So here we go. This machine right here, you can pick up what? $400, $450. This does it to a 1080 HD, and then this one here is a little bit older, and this does it to a 480p. It all goes to an SD card. It's all pretty neat and compact. On the back, you've got a plug, you've got your SD card slot, and you just hit a button on the top here, and you just get going. So you've got the instructions right here, and like anybody else, I don't really read the instructions. But anyway, here's a reel of film. Have you ever seen a reel of film before like this?
Not until today.
Okay, all right, well go ahead. All right, there we go. So go for it, Ryan.
All right. So, film routing, place reel on the right side of the recording, rewind. Film routing, okay. So I'm gonna route it that way. Alright, wraps through here. Why is there an arrow that way? I can't believe they made Jaws like this. So,
let's get a look on his face. There's the camera right there. Is this fun?
I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. Okay, why is it? Insert film here. That's where I'm going to put the white part. All right.
Hold on, you got a feel in here. Is that the... Okay, just go.
Okay. All right, let's see if this works. Goes through here. And goes through here. I think I'm playing the game of Snake. Let's see. Goes through. Make sure it's lined up. Hold on. Okay. I'll make sure it's open now before I do that. And then I insert. Oh shit. And I insert. Oh shit. Then I insert the film here. Let me take this off real quick. Put it in through here, right? Alright. Okay. I can't touch the film, right? Yeah. Okay. Dude, I feel like a monkey. This is crazy. I feel so retarded. Alright, let's see. Through here. Here, through here.
Do you give up?
No, not at all. Not at all. I'm gonna try to see if I can at least start it, and if it's wrong, then do it again.
Okay, don't worry about that right now.
Don't worry about that?
Just let that hang on.
Okay, okay. Alright.
Oh God.
Going through here. It's really so painful for
And this is typical, like this stuff, and this is just the start, and this is supposedly an intelligent guy that's doing this, and
I'm digitally intelligent.
Digitally intelligent. This is pretty analog, but this is just one reel, and he's, you know, you don't need instructions because it's telling you the arrows like on here, like, you know, which way to go. But yeah, you got to go up, down, left.
God damn it! Look at this. I missed the spot. God damn it. All right.
Okay.
If the woman from Jaws can
This
do
is
this.
you haven't even begun. Imagine if you've got like absolute ton of film.
Dude.
Yeah.
I'm the worst person to hire for this job. Let's see. Okay. All right.
Got it?
I don't know.
You pushed it down. Okay, now turn it on. Okay. Oh. There we go.
Oh.
Okay. What does it say? Hit play?
Yeah.
No.
Let me see. Load.
Record. There we go.
Okay.
Push lever, Super 8. Okay, hold on. It's regular 8. So it's going to be regular 8. Okay.
I don't know if it's regular, right?
Because of the holes on it. The size of the holes. Yeah. All right. So let's just say you're good. Let's go. Please wait. Is it going? No.
What did I do? Oh, wait. Oh, no.
Did you put the holes on the right side?
I don't think I did, dude.
Hold on. Stop it. Stop. Okay. Okay. Do you want me to do it now?
No. I'm so determined in figuring this out.
Why isn't it going? Okay.
Okay, I got that.
Oh, here we go. No?
Oh, wait. Is it supposed to clip in this?
This is like really tight.
People try to do this by themselves?
Oh, it's moving.
Then,
Why is it not moving?
when you close it.
See, look, it's going. Nothing's lined up. Oh, this is nice. Oh, hold on, here we go.
Oh.
There we go. How long did that take? That took 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes. Now, this reel here is a 50-foot reel. Okay, this lasts 50 minutes in, 3 minutes, 50-foot reel. Okay, and
Sorry for all the
this is how fast it goes.
There's a little Jimmy running behind. This is so bizarre to watch. And this is 18 frames a second?
No, well, they're originally 18 frames, but this is very slow, 1 frame per second. And this is 3 minutes, and this will take about an hour. This will take an hour to do 3 minutes and process. And if it screws up, like if there's a break in the film or anything, and it gets off track, then yeah, that's gonna fall off. And you get the bigger reels. So if you got the bigger reels, it takes hours and hours and hours.
People like to
Takes. It's pretty painful. But anyway,
How about I just give it to somebody and let them do it for me?
well, that's where we come in. But if you would die hard about one of these, guess what? We rent them out. I don't even know if I'm in the frame here, but we rent these things out. So you can go to gotmemories.com or click below and you can rent them out. If you throw in the towel, we also credit you half of the rental amount towards a transfer. If you just want to send it in, just say screw this. So you really can't lose. And that's pretty much that. Now we're gonna do another video. All right, Ryan, you're gonna rewind it. This took 45 minutes to do this one reel, so now you're gonna rewind it. And yeah.
So, reverse it?
No. Just go straight across. All the way. Okay. Is it caught?
That, yeah, it's caught right here.
No. It's caught onto that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think you just go enter.
Oh, okay, I gotta open this.
No, you don't need to put it in there.
Really?
No. Whoa. What are you doing? Okay, play mode. Here we go.
There we
rewind. Okay, so here you go. Let's have a look here. Go down. Okay, and then I guess you hit
Enter. Right?
Go. No!
I have to flip them?
Oh, you do? You gotta flip it.
Okay. Stop that. This way.
Okay, while we wait for this, this is what happens when your VHS tapes go bad. Just VHS, so you don't transfer it, you don't do anything, it just goes crappy. Alright, you having fun there, mate?
I was definitely born in different times. Mode, playback, enter, go.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, stop.
Alright. You might have to have this adapter. No, you don't. It's right.
I think I'm just gonna slip it into this groove right here.
Or is it the wrong way around?
This way. How many Brazilians does it take to rewind a film? And that part slips into here. If I had this when I was young, I would have been fascinated just playing with it.
Oh, here we go. You got it. Woohoo! Okay, it's kind of slow. That's going to take at least 5 minutes to rewind.
I'd still rather get someone else to do this for me.
Yeah. Okay, completely unbiased. Like, if you got your parents and then they were like, hey, we just bought this thing. Are you going to help us do it?
Watch a YouTube video. Figure it out.
No, but would you buy one of these?
I would buy this one.
Well, no, you can't buy them because they, like, you know, they're
I
all
will
the
find
money.
it and take it somewhere. I'm just kidding.
Or rent it, or just
rent it.
or
I could totally do
just
that.
give it to
Got memories.
Got
Take care of it for you.
Yeah, exactly.
Person. But
Yeah.
this pretty trashy compared
Yeah.
to what Got Memories can do for you.
Yeah. Well, just a proper like industrial, you know, unit.
And the quality, dude.
Yeah, the quality. Yeah.
Quality is so much better compared to this.
Yeah.
You really can't fix the exposure on that, or the tint. You have to edit it, right?
Well, you can't. Yeah, it's kind
See,
of
that's extra work for no reason.
right. Yeah.